Chaf manaba haurakfam amadagi miyoiba ama oina haurakiba miyoiba khunai asina sakchu caste creed na chingba khaidoktuna tokai tahanbani haina High Court of Manipur gi Chief Justice Siddharth Mirdul na phongdokre wafamasi Manipur Human Rights Commission na Sanjana North AOC da leiba Imphal Hotel the Pangthokiba International Day for the Elimination of Racial Discrimination ki thoramda Chief Guest ki waral piraduna haikibani Justice Siddharth Mirdul Manipur Human Rights Commission ki Chairperson Justice UB Saha Commission asige member Kangzam Khagendra amadi Advocate General Hizam Lenin na mathang sitna Chief Guest President amadi Guest of Honor oina sarugyaki thoramadda Human Rights Week kamari Lenina Pangthokiba debate competition da makok mathang takraba singdasu manamathum yenthoki High Court of Manipur gi Chief Justice Siddharth Mirdul na hai miyoiba haiba khunai asi South Africa gi mafam amadagi haurakibani haina miyamna thajanari masigi makha tarakpada malem pumbada pak sanna sandoktuna ngasigi prithvi asi oirakpani adubu chaf manaba mafam amakhakte haurakiba miyoiba pumba asi magi apamba sak kuchuna singba khaidoktuna miyoiba masel asi tokai tahankibani India khakte yengbadasu North East India gi miyambu mainland India na Chinki haina khangnaba amadi South India gi miyambuna Madrasi haraga khangnaba asimagni pumnamak asi miyoiba ama oina tawroidaba khwaidagi asoiba amani amaromda miyoiba khunaina hek khanglakpadagi leiraklaba human rights asimaksu mipum khudimakta fanghanba ngamde pumnamak asi yengluraga ngasigi khunaina wakhal taminaduna tawgadaba amadi tawroidaba sing punna khangdokpa amadi achumba maikaida puraknaba punna honasi haina mahakna makhataki
was a lady by the name of Lucy, whose remains were found in northern Africa. We are all descended as Homo sapiens from that one woman, Lucy. And look at what we've done to ourselves. Just look at what we've done to ourselves. We've divided ourselves on race, on ethnicity, on religion, on color, on hairstyles. We have this tendency to divide. And this is precisely the reason why, and I quote John F. Kennedy, who put it wonderfully. He said, when the rights of every man are diminished, when the rights of one man are threatened. What did he mean to say by that? What he meant to say by that was that we are all born equal.